The jelly battery has failed. I'm just trying to see, I suspect it'll be the magnesium. I think you can just about see there's all air bubbles around the magnesium. Not in focus. Still not in focus. Oh, come on. Right, yeah, you've got air bubbles all around the magnesium. So I don't think it's actually touching the surface of the jelly. I think that's what the problem is. I think if I pull it out and push it in a couple of times, that might get it going again. So if we pull it out, I have to clean it off. But we got numbers back there again. Yeah, I'll clean it. I'll scrape the surface a bit. And we got some power. Gonna have to do a bit more work on it. It's definitely not happy. I have to have a think about this. I've spent some time cleaning the electrodes, the copper and the magnesium, and we got a bit of power coming through, but it certainly is not happy. So I think we've seen that one through as far as it'll go. This morning the clock was dead, the jelly clock. So I took the electrodes out, the cathode and the anode, and cleaned them and put them back in different locations in the jelly, and that didn't really seem to help at the time. But I've noticed it seems to have picked up steam. Best way I can describe it. The display is good black digits. Well, I say good, they are flickering a bit. But that's been running for about 14 hours now, because I reset it to 12 when we put the new, or clean the electrodes. So that's gone all the way through 12, and now we're on 13, 14. 2 hours over the 12. So that's been running for about 14 hours. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was this morning. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.